Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into one of the hottest buzzwords in the tech industry, the Metaverse. What exactly is this mysterious Metaverse, and how do you step into it? Let's break it down. So, what is the Metaverse? At its core, the Metaverse is a collective virtual shared space. Think of it as an immense digital universe, combining augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and the internet. It's a place where digital and physical realities merge together. Imagine attending concerts, shopping, or even working from within a virtual environment that's as real as the physical world. The concept might sound futuristic, but it's not as far off as you think. Companies like Facebook, now Meta, and other tech giants are pouring billions into developing this next-gen internet. The idea is to create highly immersive, interactive experiences where users can socialize, play games, and even work. Now, let's talk about entering the Metaverse. First off, you'll need the right hardware. A reliable VR headset like the Oculus Quest or HTC Vive is your gateway to these immersive experiences. These headsets transport you into virtual worlds, allowing you to interact with digital environments as if you were physically there. But VR isn't the only way in. Augmented reality, which overlays digital information onto the real world using devices like smartphones and AR glasses, plays a huge role too. Think Pokemon Go, but on steroids. Next, you'll need software platforms that host metaverse experiences. Popular choices include VR Chat, Decentraland, and Fortnite's Creative Mode. These platforms let you create avatars, explore virtual spaces, and interact with other users. They're essentially the worlds within the metaverse where all the action happens. Then, there's the matter of connectivity. A stable, high-speed internet connection is crucial for seamless metaverse experiences. After all, you wouldn't want lag to ruin your virtual concert or gaming session, right? But beyond the tech, what truly defines the metaverse is its community. It's about people coming together in a virtual space, forming connections, and creating shared experiences. It's the social aspect that makes it so compelling. So whether you're a gamer looking for the next immersive adventure, a professional exploring new ways to collaborate, or just curious about the future of digital interaction, the metaverse offers endless possibilities. That's a wrap on today's explainer. If you're excited about stepping into the metaverse, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier.